today's video, we will be learning how to do a cramp roll. Y'all know that piece of music? If you don't, it's because I guess I'm older than you. If you're watching this and you don't know what that is, it's probably because I'm older than you are. But if you're my age or older, you probably know exactly what part of music I'm talking about. Once you learn how to do the cramp roll, you can make that same rhythm with your cramp roll, so it's pretty fun. So check out this video, learn how to do cramp roll, and you have that to look forward to. There are 4 components, 2 ball digs and 2 heel drops. Let's see that from the back. Notice that you're going right, left, right, left. You want to make 4 sounds or beats. Each step is 1 beat. Now try that faster. Even faster this time. Don't forget to try the other side. We're going to watch that from the back again. Notice that this time you're going left, right, left, right. It's practice time, speed it up. And do that even faster this time. It's bonus time, guys. If you do your cramp roll going left, right, right, left, it's an around the world cramp roll. You can do that with the cramp roll. Cramp roll, cramp roll, cramp roll, step, step, cramp roll, cramp roll, cramp roll, step, step. Anyway. Cramp rolls are a lot of fun once you get used to them. Always start slow and tap and then speed it up. Always the way to go, because the faster you can get with your taps, the better. But you always need to start slow so you make sure that you're doing it right and building that memory in your neurons and everything so that your body knows how to do it right. And that makes sense. Okay. Anyway, like cramp, like a leg cramp. That's what I'm saying, cramp. And a roll. Cramp roll. Oh my gosh. I say that a lot.